Welcome to State of Tech. Let's take a look at Movie Player Plus for your Apple TV. Now this is an application that's going to be working on the 4th generation Apple TV. So if you have the latest one, just head into the App Store and look for Movie Player Plus. Now I have it installed and it's down here at the bottom of the screen. You can see this little icon. As I highlight over it, it kind of moves around. We're going to go ahead and click on the Apple TV remote button. Now we're brought into our menu. Now I can see a plethora of video files that I've actually uploaded to my Apple TV. Now this supports a wide variety of formats. Most formats that you're going to get movies in are supported. And if you run into any issues, the developer says to go ahead and contact them, and they're going to try and help you to get that format to work on here. Now over here on the left hand side of the screen, you see Wi-Fi. Now Wi-Fi is the way that I'm going to be uploading files. This will work if you also are plugged into Ethernet. You'll see Ethernet down below. What you do is you click on this Wi-Fi over here. We'll go ahead and click there. Now we're going to turn Wi-Fi on. Go ahead and click again, and you have a green status bar at the top of your screen. And we're going to open this web address, this HTTP. This is an IP address for our Apple TV that's going to allow us to upload video files. Now the number you see here on my screen is based upon my network settings. Your IP address here could be different, so do not type in the numbers that you see here because they are not going to work for you. Your IP address will be different down below. So once you've entered that in on the web browser, you're going to be able to upload video files one at a time to your Apple TV. Now, depending upon your network, it could take a little bit, it could go faster, and that also depends upon the file size as well. But once you're done uploading your files, you're just going to go and turn Wi-Fi off. You're going to hit your menu button, and now your video files should be out here on the right hand side of the screen. And you notice as I highlight over one, the icon kind of gets a little bit bigger, and I can see the exact file name and the file size of the movies that I've uploaded. So keep in mind when you're doing this, everything is going to show in alphabetical order, so name your files accordingly. If you have a bunch of video files from your iPhone and you've left the default names, such as image and then whatever number comes afterwards, you're going to get a little confused because they're all just going to be here in an I section. I would recommend renaming your files before actually uploading them so you know what you're looking for. But once you're ready to play a video file, just click on the play button or just go ahead and click on the top of your Apple TV remote and it's going to start playing the video file. Now what's really cool about this is not streaming from anywhere. I'm not streaming this from the internet. I'm not streaming it from my computer over Wi-Fi. This file is living locally right here on my Apple TV. So I could unplug it from my Ethernet or even turn Wi-Fi off on the Apple TV and this video file would still play back. And I can use my typical buttons. I have the play pause, so I've gone ahead and paused the video by clicking the pause button on my Apple TV remote, and I can even use my controls to go ahead and fast forward up here on the top of the screen. And hitting the menu button from a video will bring me back out into Movie Player Plus, where I can go ahead and find another video file to watch. And once I've done that, just go ahead and click on it. It's going to load in the video and begin playing. So once again, this application is called Movie Player Plus for Apple TV. If you like it, be sure and pick it up in the App Store on your Apple TV.